Today I promise to love you unconditionally for the rest of my life, to be faithful to you, to hold you when you cry, to laugh with you when you're happy, to back every decision you ever make. I promise to be there for you every step of the way on this journey we are about to take.
I vow to always remember the moments that count and forget the moments that don't. I promise not to resent you for the things you do wrong, but to love you uncontrollably for all the things you do right. Even though you drive me crazy, and sometimes you make me want to hit you, you are and always will be my best friend. No matter how mad you can make me, I vow to never let my anger weaken my love for you. From now until forever, I will promise to be by your side no matter what comes our way. And as we continue to stumble down our crazy path, I promise to always stumble along beside you and always have your back. I vow to be yours forever. We are soulmates, baby, and after today, you're officially stuck with me. I love you.